This is Infinix Note 30 and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, onwards at the search bar type in the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, you can initiate or initialize its installation either directly from the search results, or you can open its respective app info page and tap at the install button over there. Doesn't matter which route you'll go for, since either of them will lead you to practically identical results anyway. So let the Opera app be downloaded and installed, then you can just go ahead and launch it. And while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you perform a very simple and basic setup. So firstly, tap at the blue continue button, then decide if you would like to enable notifications for Opera, or you can simply skip this step. You can also choose to select Opera as your default browser app, or you can skip this step as well. And then at this final page, you can customize the permissions and data collection preferences that Opera will have an access to, or you can also just allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.